Intensive practice 4.3, question 3. Determine the value of this. Right. So here we have log 4 8 plus log r surd r. Okay. 4 and 8, we can't do much because 4 to the power of nothing can make it into 8. So what we do is we try to bring it down to base 2 lah. So if you want to change base, you do log 2 over log 2. The big number goes on top, the small number goes below. So big number is 8, small number is 4. Then here we have log r. Square root of r is the same as r power 1 over 2. Okay. Now, 8 is 2 cubed. So we can say log 2 cubed. 4 is 2 squared. So log 2 squared plus, I'm just going to write this here, log r 1 over 2. Okay. Then if you know the rules of log, the power on top you can bring in front. So this becomes 3 log 2 over 2 log 2 plus 1 over 2 log r. Okay. Then another law of log states that if these two numbers are the same, it becomes 1. So 3 times 1, 2 times 1, this also will also become 1 now. So it's basically 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So this will become 4 over 2, which is just 2. Done. So it's easier whenever you have these kind of numbers, just change it to base 2. To change base, you do log 2 over log 2, big number goes up, small number goes below. That's it.